Welcome to the Fix It Bunny channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this BOYA Mini 2 microphone system. And if you're looking for a good budget microphone system that you can do interviews with and you can record and move around or even be hundreds of feet away, this is a great product. I spent around $45 or less on this, which is a great deal considering what you get. I put a link in the comment section for this. Don't forget to subscribe if this helps you out. Let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and open it up, take a look what's inside, do a little unboxing, and pull it out. So here's this kind of little box here. It's really tiny. And these mics are supposed to be almost hidden. So as we open the box, we see there's one little teeny meeny little mic here, has a little foam on it. It's smaller, about the size of the end of my finger. And let's see here. This little piece right here clips really good and goes on right there. Let's see here. Then there's a second one. And there is a USB-C connector, and it has a little blue dot on there. So we are going to connect this to the phone, see how it does. Here's a little charger and a bag that comes with it. And here's the instruction booklet. So we're going to go through these instructions, pair it up, and see how it works, and we'll do a sound test. Okay, it says that this is the status indicator here. This little blue paired successfully says is a blue dot, so unpaired means it's blinking. Okay, and then how to wear. Just clip it on your shirt. Okay, so now we're going to stick this into a phone, put it in and see if it pairs. Okay, there's a little blue light on there. And there is a little blue light on here. And they're solid now that I plugged it in. So now let's go to the camera and see what it does. Video. Okay, we're just going to do a quick video. Hi, I'm testing. All right, let's go play it and see how it sounds. Video. Hi, I'm testing. Okay, sounds pretty good. So now video. We're going to hook it into the phone with the video that I'm taking now, and then see the different quality. So right now, this is before we plug it into that phone. Okay, it says recording audio through the USB mic. So we're testing this out. We'll see what the different sound quality is. I have it clipped to the top of my collar. Things seems good here. I'm going to click on the noise canceling. Okay, this is now a noise reduction test. I turn on a fan in the background, have some sports game going on in the background. This is without the noise reduction. Now if you push the bottom of the dongle that's on the bottom that it comes with on the phone, it has a little blue button. If you push it, it went to green, and that's noise reduction, and that should have cut out a lot of that sound. And the noise canceling worked great on this. I've been in environments recording these since I made this video, and it works really good. So now we're going to try two mics, and I am mic'd up to myself. I got noise reduction, and I got one of my daughters mic'd up, and so you got your mic on good there?
Yes.
Okay. So let's do a test with yours. Can you tell me what you're studying right now?
I'm studying English and grammar.
Okay, English and grammar, fun stuff. And we're about, I don't know, 3 or 4 feet away from each other, and the quality sounds great. The noise reduction's good. Thank you for helping me out.
You're welcome.
This is definitely a good starter set for to have dual mics in the process. Noise canceling on this is amazing. I'm going to make sure any future microphones that I buy have noise canceling on them, and I think we are good to go with this. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.